Few bikes carry the legendary status of the Yamaha YZ125. Since its introduction in the mid-1970s, this lightweight motocross machine has been a true symbol of speed, agility, and two-stroke power. Over the years, Yamaha has refined and modernized the YZ125, yet it still holds on to that raw spirit that riders love. At the heart of the YZ125 is its 125cc liquid-cooled two-stroke engine. Compact yet explosive, this motor is built for instant throttle response and high revving excitement. Yamaha's advanced reed valve induction ensures smoother fuel flow, while the finely tuned exhaust power valve system helps deliver strong acceleration across the entire rev range. The result is a thrilling ride that rewards precision, skill, and control. The YZ125 has always been about agility. Its aluminum frame is designed for strength without unnecessary weight, giving riders razor-sharp handling on any motocross track. Weighing just under 95 kilograms, this bike is a featherweight fighter, perfect for tight corners, quick jumps, and rapid directional changes. Yamaha equips the YZ125 with KYB suspension, tuned for serious motocross performance. The fully adjustable inverted forks and rear shock provide excellent balance, absorbing big hits while maintaining control through whoops, ruts, and uneven terrain. With precise damping, the YZ125 allows riders to push harder without losing confidence. Stopping power comes from strong, wave-style disc brakes, offering excellent bite and consistent performance even during long races. Lightweight wheels and motocross-ready tires give the YZ125 both grip and durability, ensuring maximum traction in demanding conditions. The YZ125 wears Yamaha's sharp, race-inspired bodywork. Slim shrouds and a narrow seat allow for easy body movement, letting riders shift weight quickly when tackling aggressive turns or setting up for jumps. The ergonomics are designed to keep the rider connected and in control at all times. For decades, the YZ125 has been the training ground for champions. Many professional riders started their careers on this very machine, learning throttle control, cornering technique, and the discipline needed for bigger bikes. Even today, the YZ125 remains a favorite among riders who value skill-based racing and the unmistakable thrill of a two-stroke. It's not just about speed, it's about the experience. The YZ125 is a bike that challenges riders to sharpen their technique. It's light, fast, and responsive, demanding finesse and rewarding mastery. For motocross enthusiasts, it's pure riding joy, distilled into one machine.